We'll guide you through how to use brush tool to remove background in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure Adobe Photoshop is properly installed on your computer and ready for use. On your desktop, open the Adobe Photoshop application and choose Open to load the photograph you want to edit. Once your image appears, navigate to the Layers panel located at the bottom right side of your screen. If your image layer has a small padlock icon beside it, click the padlock once to unlock it so the layer becomes fully editable. With your layer actively selected, look at the very bottom of the Layers panel and click the Add Layer Mask icon, which looks like a white rectangle with a black circle inside. A blank white thumbnail box will instantly appear next to your image thumbnail. Click directly on this white box to ensure you are editing the mask itself rather than the photo. Next, move to the left toolbar and select the Brush tool, represented by the paintbrush icon. To quickly reset your colors, press the D key on your keyboard so your foreground becomes pure black and your background becomes pure white. Right-click anywhere on the canvas to open brush settings. Then choose a hard round brush for clean, sharp edges. Begin carefully painting over the background areas you want to remove. Since you are painting with black on a layer mask, those unwanted pixels will seamlessly disappear without permanently deleting them. For better precision, use the zoom tool to get closer to your main subject. You can resize your brush instantly by pressing the left bracket key to make it smaller or the right bracket key to make it larger while tracing edges. If you accidentally erase part of your subject, simply press the X key to swap your brush color to white. Paint over the mistake, and the hidden pixels will immediately return. When working around softer edges like hair or fur, right-click again and reduce the brush hardness to 0% for smoother blending. To check for any missed background remnants, go to the bottom of the Layers panel, click the Create New Fill Layer icon, and select Solid Color. Choose a bright contrasting shade such as neon green, then drag this color layer beneath your masked photo. Any leftover background pixels will instantly become obvious against the bright backdrop, allowing you to refine your mask with greater accuracy. This method ensures a clean, professional quality background removal while keeping your edits fully non-destructive and easily adjustable later.